What it do, my easy peasy family? And we are back in the kitchen with another easy peasy recipe. Have you guys been paying attention to that viral TikTok video? It's called Blanket Dumplings. Hey, it looked delicious, so we're gonna give it a try and we're gonna see can your boy pull it off. So come on in the kitchen and we finna try this thing. The recipe calls for ground pork. I don't do pork, so I'm using the chicken. We're gonna add a little pepper. We're gonna add a little garlic. We're gonna add some soy sauce, a little Worcestershire, sriracha sauce, sweet Thai chili sauce, a little Japanese barbecue sauce, green onions. We're going to add a little breadcrumbs because we are using the ground chicken instead of the ground pork. And this is just going to help it give it a little texture. And just a little flour. And now we're going to place the wrap over each one. And we're going to seal it. Now we got those. Now we're going to hit it with some olive oil. And we're going to cover and let that do its thing for 10 minutes. We're going to top it off with some soy sauce, some sweet Thai chili, some green onion, and some sesame seeds. Now we got to cut into this bad boy and see if everything is done. All right, guys, now we finna get into these dumplings. Okay. I cut into it and everything seems to be great. And we finna give this thing a try. These dumplings are amazing. Y'all give this viral video a try. Hit me in the comments and tell me how it turns out. Guys, I'm finna mess these dumplings up. I'll see y'all in the next video.